In this video, I want to show you a simple thing that happens in VLOOKUP and how to avoid this kind of error, or actually how to manage an error. So we do VLOOKUP. We're going to use like a search key, maybe the cell next to VLOOKUP, and we want to look in the range here for sales. We want to say, hey, give us the January sales only. And we're going to look up index 2. We're going to say, is this sorted? False. We get right away we have NA because it did not find the value of blank. But if we type in January here, it's going to give us a number. But sometimes we want this to be blank and we do not want this error. One quick way to do it is if NA, wrap your VLOOKUP with if NA and put a comma, and then you can put anything here or nothing. See, and now we can just type in January, but you might want to have more information here. Maybe you don't want blank and blank. Maybe you want to say, please pick a month. And there you can have a message that says, pick a month. Maybe you even want to be more direct, pick a month in D2 here, because we know we're looking at this cell. But maybe you don't even want to have this if NA possible other than it's blank. And if somebody puts in Jan, it still says, please pick a month. But they're saying, I want January. Jan. Well, you can give them data validation or a drop-down menu to say only pick from this list. So we can right-click drop-down, and we can say drop-down from a range. Let's pick the range that has all of our months in it, and now automatically all of those are typed in. We don't have to type in those ourselves. Click Done, and now we can select a month, and that will get you around that error in VLOOKUP. So you have two options in this video. We talked about if NA, but also just having this drop-down validation helps a lot. Now we have 0 here. Look at April, 89. Yep, that's 89 here. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.